In this video, we are going to see how we can use BitQuery's PumpSwap API for getting top traders on PumpSwap. I will add the API link in the description. You guys can test it out on id.bitquery.io. By just signing up on ID, you will get free 10,000 points for testing for the first month. So let's get started. Select EAP here, as Solana is in EAP right now. Then select Solana. Then select Dix Trade by tokens. Then in where we will put our filters. In filters, firstly select transaction, result, success, true, as we only want successful trades to be accommodated for this calculation of top traders. Then select trade, then DEX, program address is pump swap address. Then also select the side currency as wrapped SOL address. Because DEX trade by tokens API gives each trade in two ways, token 0 on one side and token 1 on the other side, and then also flip it around. Then select the limit count as 10. We only need the top 10 traders. We'll limit the responses so that each response is unique by the transaction signature, and we'll limit the count to 1 for each response according to a transaction signature. So for each transaction signature there will only be one result. Now select the field we need in the response, select count, give it alias name of total trades, put here transaction signer, as we will group these details by transaction signer, put here total traded amount as the alias name, and do summation of trade side amount in USD. And now order the response here using order by according to a field in descending order. The field we will use here to order will be total trades field that we created here. This is the alias field. Now run this query and you will get the top 10 traders. You can use the block time filter to get the top traders in the particular time frame. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.